Want to experience astral projection? Let me guide you through 3 powerful techniques: binaural beats, the vibrational technique, and the rope method. First, start with binaural beats. Use headphones and listen to 4 Hz beats, which help bring your brain into a theta state, perfect for deep relaxation and astral travel. Close your eyes, relax your body, and allow the calming frequencies to carry your mind into a meditative state. Next, focus on the vibrational technique. As you relax, you may feel subtle vibrations throughout your body. This is a natural sign that your astral body is preparing to separate from your physical form. Don't be alarmed, embrace the sensation. Focus on the vibrations and try to amplify them, allowing your awareness to rise as your body stays still. Now it's time for the rope method. Visualize a rope hanging above you. In your mind, imagine reaching up with your astral body, grabbing the rope, and pulling yourself out of your physical body. Stay focused on this mental action and remain calm, even as the separation begins. As you combine these techniques, you'll find yourself closer to experiencing astral projection. Patience is key. Practice regularly, and soon you'll be exploring realms beyond the physical. Ready to take your consciousness to new heights? Try these methods tonight and unlock your potential for astral travel.